Good morning students. Today in Maths we are continuing with the lesson number 12 perimeter and area. Our subtopic is surface area. Now the surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Three-dimensional object means what, children? It is an object which has length, breadth and height. Now if we add up the areas of all its faces, then we can get the surface area of the three-dimensional object. Now here the surface area of a cuboid. Now this is a cuboid, children. Now the best example I can give for cuboid is duster, cupboard, your mobile phone, then matchbox. These are the examples of cuboid. Now a cuboid has 6 faces. Now here I have an example of for you to show this matchbox. Now this matchbox is having the shape of a cuboid, children, three-dimensional object where it has length also, breadth also, length also, breadth also and height also. Okay. Now a cuboid has 6 faces. You can see that 6 faces. Okay. Face number 1, face number 2, face number 3, face number 4, face number 5 and face number 6. So it has 6 faces. Okay. Now each face is a rectangle. You can see that, children, in the figure also you can see that each face is of rectangle. See here you can see this is a face of this face is of rectangle. Again this face is also rectangle only. This face is also rectangle only. Even this face is also rectangle only. Okay. Now opposite faces have same area. Now you can see that this face and this face are opposite to each other. That means if we calculate, they will be having the same area. Okay. Similarly this face and this face, they are having the same area. Okay. Now similarly this face and this face are opposite to each other, so they will have same area. Now each edge is a perpendicular to the two other edges it meets. Now you can see here, children, this is an edge over here. You can see this is an edge and this edge is perpendicular to this edge and this edge. Okay. Now here with the help of this matchbox, if I want to show you, now you can see this edge is perpendicular to this one and this one. Okay. If you take like this edge is perpendicular to this side and this edges. Okay, children. So let L be the length of the horizontal face of the cuboid, B be its breadth and H be its height of the vertical side. Then therefore we can calculate the total surface area of a cuboid as the formula is 2 bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. Okay, children. So this is a formula which you need to remind. Okay, to solve the practice set 47. Now children, the unit for surface area is again either it is in square centimeter or in square meter. If the length, breadth and height, if they are given in a centimeter, then the unit for surface area will be square centimeter. If length, breadth and height are given in meters, then the unit for surface area is square meter. Okay. Now children, our next three-dimensional figure is a cube. So we'll see how to find the surface area of a cube. Now here I have drawn the cube. Okay. Now a cube has 6 faces. Now the best example I can give for the cube is a dice, children. Okay. You can see the dice has how many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has how many faces? 6 faces. Okay. And each face is a square. You can see that. You can see is this dice which is there. I'm not a correct edges are not correct here. So each face of the cube is the shape of a square, children. Okay, it is of a square. Now area of all the faces are equal. Now since here in cube all the faces are the face of a square, so therefore all the faces have equal area. All the faces have equal area. Okay. Now let the side of each square be L. Now you can see that this is a cube which I have drawn. So since here it is let L be the side of each square. So therefore area of one face of a square, that means area of this face, if I am considering this face, will be what? It will be area of a square, which is equals to what? Side square. Side square means length square. Okay, so therefore the total surface area of a cube will be equals to what? 6 multiplied by side square. So therefore the total surface area of a cube is equals to 6 multiplied by L square, that is length square. So this is the formula to find the total surface area of a cube. Okay children. Now students, we'll start with the practice at 47. First question is, find the total surface area of a cube having the following sides. Now children, in question number 1, there are total 5 sub questions. I will be solving any 3, and the remaining 2 you are going to do it by yourself. Okay. So the first side of a square is cube is a 3 centimeter they have given. So let us start to find the total surface area. So first what we'll be doing, we'll be starting the solution as total surface area of a cube is equals to, what is the formula children? It is 6 multiplied by length square. Okay. So which will be is equals to what? 6 multiplied by, what is the length given over here children? It is 3. So 3 centimeter the whole square. Okay. So that will be what? 6 multiplied by, what is square of 3 children? That is 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. So centimeter multiplied centimeter is how much? It is square centimeter. So therefore what is 6 nines are? 6 nines is 54 square centimeter. So finally you can write that, therefore total surface area of a cube is 54 square centimeter. Is that clear children? Now here students, I have taken sub question 3 I have taken, that is 7.2 centimeter. So same way solution you will start as total surface area of a cube is equals to, first write the formula children. What is total surface area of the cube? It is 6L square. Okay. Then afterwards you have to substitute the value of L. So 6 multiplied by, what is the value of L children? It is 7.2 centimeter square. Now first here it is in decimal form children. So 7.2 multiplied by 7.2. 2 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s is 14. Then again here 7 2s is 14, carry 1. 7 7s are 49, it is 50. So we will add here 4, 8, 1, 5. So the decimal point, so it is, we are getting 51.84 we are getting children. Okay. So that means what? Here I will be having 6 multiplied by 51.84 centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. Now children, what I have to do? Here I have to multiply 6 with this 51.84. So 6 multiply, what I will get here? 6 4 is 24, carry 2. 6 8 is 48, 48 plus 2 is 50, carry 5 here. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. So decimal point is after 2 numbers, so decimal point will be coming over here. So we are getting 311.04. So our answer we are getting is 311.04, and unit is very important children. You have to write square centimeter. So finally you will write, therefore total surface area of a cube is 311.04 square centimeter. Okay children. Now students, our fourth sub question I have taken. Okay, I solved first one, then the third one, then fourth one. Okay, so here we have to find the surface area of a cuboid which is having a side of 6.8 centimeter. So first what we have to do, we have to write the formula children. So total surface area of a cube. Okay, surface area of a cube is equals to what? First write the formula children. It is 6 multiplied by L square. Okay, then afterwards substitute the value of L. So 6 multiplied, what is L children? It is 6.8 centimeter the whole square. Now 6.8 it is given children. So what you have to do? You have to multiply 6.8 with 6.8. So 8 8 is 64, carry 6. 8 is 48, 48 plus 6 is 54. 54. Then 8 6 is 64. Sorry, 6 8 is 48. Carry 4. 6 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. So when we add, we get here 4. 12 carry 1. 6 46. We are getting here 46.24. So now it is 6 multiplied by 46.24. So unit will be what? Square centimeter. Now it is not over, children. Now you have to multiply 6 with this 46.24. So let us multiply over here, continuing. 6 4 is 24, carry 2. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, carry 2. Sorry, carry 1. Then 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38, carry 3. 24 plus 3 is 27. So decimal point is after two numbers. So decimal point will be coming over here. So we are getting, let me check, 14, 12 carry 1, 1, 12, 14 carry 1, 36, 37 will come, children, here, 37. Okay, so we are getting here 277.44 square centimeter. So we will write the final answer as, therefore, total surface area of a cube is 277.44 square centimeter. Okay, children. Now this second sub question and fifth sub question you are going to solve by yourself.